Meditation using light and dark smoke. Begin by getting into a nice, comfortable seated posture. If you're in a chair, pull the hips all the way back in your seat, feet flat on the floor, hands resting comfortably in your lap. Perhaps you pull the shoulders back towards your chair just a little bit to allow the heart to open and be available for your practice. The neck is soft and supple. The head floats effortlessly at the top of your spine. Softly close your eyes. Relax now into this posture and let all your stress and tension melt away. Begin by generating a sincere wish to use this meditation to develop good qualities to benefit both yourself and others. And hold this wish for a few moments. Now turn your attention inward and become aware of your thoughts and other mental activity, simply watching the flow of thoughts in your mind. At this stage, you may find that your mind is very busy. The purpose of this meditation is to calm this mental busyness and discover a mental peace and purity that lies beneath it. Just as when clouds disperse and a clear blue sky is revealed. To do this, begin by turning your attention to your breath. Breathing naturally, keeping the normal rhythm of your breath. Gently follow the process of inhalation and exhalation. Resist the temptation to follow different thoughts as they arise. Keep your attention focused single-pointedly on your breathing. As you inhale and exhale, move your attention closer and closer to your breath until it feels as if they mix and become one. Now, as you breathe out, imagine you are breathing away all your mental busyness in the aspect of dark smoke that leaves your nostrils and disappears far into space. Imagine you are also breathing out all your negativity, bad feelings, sickness, and misfortune in the aspect of dark smoke that disappears far into space, never to return. Feel your body and mind becoming more and more pure, lighter and lighter as you breathe away all of these impurities. As you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in pure, positive energy, inspiring energy in the aspect of radiant white light which fills your whole body. Feel that your body and mind gradually become one with this light, as this pure white light becomes your very nature. Continue in this way, breathing out dark smoke, the essence of all your negativities, unhappiness, sickness, and misfortune, and breathing in radiant white light, the essence of pure, positive energy and inspiration. Gradually, your mind will become very peaceful and clear, and your body and mind will feel as if they are made of pure light. Stay with this feeling for the next little while. Gently recall your intention to use this meditation to develop good qualities to benefit both yourself and others, and dedicate the results of this meditation to that end. Make a determination to keep this mental calm and inner peace after you arise from meditation, so that it will influence everything you think, say, and do. And when you are ready, relax your concentration and arise from your meditation.